We work with travelling men. We work with them mostly around doing fitness groups or football groups, something that kind of ropes them, that gets the men in.
We would ask them in what they want. So we don't come out and say, look, we're doing this, we're doing that. We say, look, give us ideas, tell us what you'd like to do, and we work on that. And one of the things that came up was the calorie chamber.
Why come here? Why this?
To tell you the truth, I don't want to come up most of the time. Yeah. But when I do come up during the class, I feel great, and after the class, I feel a lot better about myself.
We set up the calorie chamber where we had traveller men training together, socialising, because that's what they wanted. They were saying, look, they were always mixing with the same people on the sites, and they wanted to do a group with, say, traveller men from Ballymun, traveller men from Finglas, and so we seen a need for that.
Yeah, I think one of the biggest benefits and one of the positive things is you have traveller men speaking about a lot of stuff that you wouldn't really see traveller men speaking about.
As we were going along doing the calorie chamber, we were also chatting with the men, and we're asking them, like, what's going on within our community, because I'm a traveller man myself, they're traveller men. We'd also get people in and do information sessions. So we had Cool Mind come in and do an information session. We had Patrick Riley from Pavee come in and do an information session around mental health and the services that are out there.
What we try to do is we try to get services more accessible for travellers, that when travellers go into it, they're able to go in there without the fear of worrying about being mistreated or being fear of being discriminated against or stuff like that. And what I seen on that particular day, those lads engaging in them fitness groups, you can see there was a spring in their step. You could see their head was cleared.
We started an event in 2014 and it was Traveller Men's Health Day.
So we have a football tournament, but it's not just about the football tournament. We have all the health services there the day as well.
So the idea behind that was where we would get a group of traveller men from different projects, and we do health checks on the day, like blood pressure checks, and then you have health services coming out like the Reef, Keaton Foundation, Pieta House.
While last year we had one team of Roma men participating in the football tournament, we are fortunate now to have 5 teams. It's a very nice and smooth way of showing the importance of health for Roma men and to involve them and to give them the opportunity to meet also with traveller men.
So any time that you have like over 100 traveller men at one event speaking about health and getting their health checks done and getting the information with the health services, to me that's an absolutely brilliant day.
What I'd like to see for the future of the project is, like, I know that some of the traveller men, there's a lot of addictions within our community, within the groups, and there has been traveller men has gone out and went to services and looked for support around addiction, but I'd like to see a lot more traveller men going to the services and getting help.
We're not a so hard to reach community, and we've evidence of that with the calorie chamber and the men's health work. I would certainly say more initiatives going forward and more of these projects, and we'll be in a better place if that happens.